Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a square knot. The square knot is probably the most versatile knot. It'll be found in most patterns. Most designs use a square knot or a variation of the square knot. So we are going to get started. Today I cut 2 cords. I've attached them with a lark's head knot to make 4 separate cords on the dowel. Square knots are made with 4 cords always. They're made up of 2 working cords, which will be your first and your 4th cord, and then the filler cords will be the middle 2. Your working cords are going to be the one doing the tying, essentially. They will be the ones moving and they will be shrinking as you make your knots. The filler cords will just remain in place and they won't be used and they won't move throughout the knot. So to get started, I like to start from the left. You can start from the right if you choose. It's the same steps for both. I don't know, I just prefer starting with the left. So you'll take your leftmost cord and you're going to make an L in front of all the cords with your leftmost cord. Now you can place your thumb on the 2 filler cords, cords 2 and 3, with your 4th cord just kind of hanging out in space. Your 4th cord is going to go in front of your L, and it's going to go behind the filler cords, cords 2 and 3, and you're gonna pull it through the loop from behind. So now what was your first cord is now on the very right, and your last cord is now on the very left. From here, you're going to take your 2 cords that are in your hand, the working cords, and you're just gonna pull tight. And that is the first half of your square knot. To finish it, you'll take the right cord now. You're going to make an L over the filler cords and place your thumb like so. Then you'll take your leftmost cord, go in front of the L, and then you're gonna pull it through the loop. And from there, you just tighten. And that is your square knot. You'll see it makes a square. And then to make another one, you'll just start the process over. So you'll take your left cord, you make an L, take your right cord, go over that L, go behind the filler cords and through the loop, and then just pull tight. And then you'll take your right cord, put your left cord over the L, behind the filler cords and through the loop. And that's all there is to the square knot. Once you get the hang of it, you can do them pretty quickly. I just recommend kind of keeping in mind your tension. Make sure you know what cords you started with, and it'll go smoothly for you there. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you.